So,
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Judge Office getting ready to call the morning's docket. If you are a defendant here for a court date today, please turn your cameras on and let them stay on. If you are a defendant here for your court date today, turn your cameras on and let them stay on, but remain muted at the time. When judge calls your name, please unmute yourself at that point in time and announce yourself to the court. If you don't announce yourself and she moves on to the next name, do not unmute yourself and interrupt her while she's going through the other parts of the docket. She will go through it a second time. If you do not hear her name called either time she calls the docket, we'll take that up at the end of her calling the docket for today. If she calls your name the first time and you answer, when she calls the docket the second time, you do not have to answer. So if you answer one or the two times, then you're good. But all defendants, please make sure that you have your cameras on. When Judge Huff calls your name, please unmute yourself and announce yourself to the court. If you're not listed by your name on Zoom, please go ahead and change that to your name. If you do not know how, then I'll change it as she calls your name and you answer. I still have quite a few defendants without their cameras on. Joe Cantu, Levi Aldis, Danielle's iPhone. You guys need to have your cameras on. Judge is about to call docket. Elijah Santellan, sir, your camera needs to be on.
all right. Thank you, Booker.
Okay, I got my camera on.
Okay, thank you, Booker. All right. So, Booker, do we have any more in the waiting room?
No, Judge, everybody's on.
All right, great. So we'll get started. So it's 9 o'clock straight up. So we'll get started. I will explain how I'll be calling the docket today. I will be calling the docket by the defendant's name. So defendants, when you hear your name called, please unmute yourselves, turn your camera on if it is off, and then announce yourself to the court. I'll say it one more time. I will be calling the docket by the defendant's name. So defendants, when you hear your name called, please unmute yourselves, turn your camera on if it is off. You are free to turn your camera back off after that, but I need to see you because you are in court. Okay, again, you are free to turn your camera back off after you've announced yourself to the court. Because from my end, I'm checking that you're either answering the docket or that you're not answering the docket. And at some point, defense attorneys, if your client never zooms in this morning, I do issue FTAs. That stands for failure to appear. A warrant will issue for your client. So we will begin. Can you mute everybody? Could everyone please mute themselves? Mute yourselves, okay? Until I call your name. I think it's Jose. Yeah, there he is. So today is Wednesday, July 12th, 2023, County Court 12, calling the 9 o'clock docket. And we'll start with Martina Castillo. Martina Castillo. Christopher Acosta. Christopher Acosta. Okay, in the hall. Is he getting on, Steve? Okay. Joe Roland Cantu. Joe Roland Cantu.
Hello, ma'am, I'm here.
Thank you, sir. Got you checked in. Ruben Andrew Singletary. Ruben Andrew Singletary. Christian Almadares. Christian Almadares. Destiny Dolores Rodriguez. Destiny Dolores Rodriguez.
Your Honor. Present, Your Honor.
Thank you. Thank you. Got checked in. Dion Tyler Coleman. Dion Terrell Coleman. Jason Patrick Batty. Jason Patrick Batty.
I'm here, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Got you checked in. Jacob Pardo. Jacob Pardo.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Thank you, Jacob. Got you checked in. Sergio Rodriguez. Sergio Rodriguez. Randy Vasquez. Randy Vasquez.
I'm here, Judge.
Thank you, Randy. Got you checked in. Pablo Pata. Pablo Pata. Joseph Anthony Martinez. Joseph Anthony Martinez. Walter Garrett Johnson. Walter Garrett Johnson. Adam John Molino. Adam John Molino.
Here, Your Honor.
Adam, thank you, Adam. Got you checked in. Let's see. Mableshi Moya. Hope I'm pronouncing that
Yes,
correct.
ma'am.
Thank you. Got
Yes,
you checked.
ma'am.
Thank you. Got you checked in. William Garrett Wagner. William Garrett Wagner.
Here, Your Honor.
Sir, got you checked in. Amanda Joy Welch. Amanda Joy Welch.
Just, that's the one that Ryan said was inpatient.
Okay, all right. We'll talk about it. Elijah Ezekiel Santillion. Elijah.
Here, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Patrick Christopher Jones. Patrick Christopher Jones. Jorge Hernandez. Jorge
Here, Your
Hernandez.
Honor.
Thank you, sir. Got you checked in. Rodolfo Cavara Bias. Rodolfo Cavarrubias. No. Jana Jewel Dudding. Jana Jewel Dudding.
Here, Your Honor.
Thank you, ma'am. Danielle Lee Lopez. Danielle Lee.
Right here.
Thank you, ma'am. Got you checked in. Irma Garcia Martinez. Irma
Here.
Garcia Martinez.
Here, Your Honor.
Thank you, ma'am. Jada Villarreal. Jada Villarreal. Jada Villarreal. That means announce yourself to the court. Is she muted, Booker? I don't see mute. Jada, are you muted?
I don't think she,
She didn't connect with audio. Jada, you're gonna have to click yourself out, log off, and then click back in, and this time select audio, okay? I'll circle back around to you. Nader Nassar Abdu Dubhani. Nader Nasser. Ephraim Castillo. Ephraim Castillo. Israel Vasquez. Israel Vasquez. Aaron Blake Contreras. Aaron Blake Contreras. Brandon Lamar Warren. Brandon Lamar Warren. Joseph Anthony Mora. Joseph Anthony
Here, Your Honor.
Mora. Thank you, sir. Got you checked in. Hayden Joseph Flores. Hayden Joseph Flores.
Here, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Ben Thomas Conway. Ben Thomas Conway.
Present, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Jose Israel Garcia. Jose Israel Garcia.
Present, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Let's see, Daniel Martinez Hernandez. Daniel Martinez Hernandez. Cassandra Rojas. Cassandra Rojas. Levi Colton Aldous. Levi Colton Aldous.
Here, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Brandon Sean Zayantis. I don't know, I'm not pronouncing that correctly. Zayantis. Brandon Sean.
Counsel, Your Honor. I'm here.
Is Brandon on?
Yes, ma'am. I'm here.
Can
you hear me?
Yeah, there you are. Thank you, Brandon. I got you checked in. Thank you, Counselor. Tara Marie Turner. Tara Marie Turner. Christopher Jimenez. Christopher Jimenez. Armando Pettis. Armando Pettis. Chaka Khan Corey. Chaka Khan Corey. Sebastian Antonio. Sebastian Antonio Bolanos. Sebastian Antonio Bolanos.
He's in the hallway, Judge. He's trying to get on.
Okay. Jorge Rabago. Jorge Rabago. Rabago. No. Elaine Nicole Gonzalez. Elaine Nicole Gonzalez. Luis Orozco. Luis Orozco. Ronita Lynette Thomas. Ronita Lynette Thomas.
I'm here.
Thank you, ma'am. Checked in. Christopher Joe Morrison, Christopher Joe Morrison, Antonio Alvarado, Antonio Alvarado,
Yes, those cases were dismissed yesterday.
Antonio and Christopher.
Christopher, he's here. Sir, he's in jail.
Oh,
Can
he's
you
in jail.
unmute yourself, sir, Mr. Morrison? You know how to unmute yourself?
Oh, he's here, okay.
Yeah,
And
he's here. I don't think he knows how to.
Isaac Lee Gutierrez, Isaac Lee Gutierrez.
He's
Is that
also a jail judge.
Okay, okay, all right. So I'll go back through this list one more time for the individuals that did not answer at the 9 o'clock docket. But first, I'm going to give some instructions on how this morning is going to roll out. Booker, could you please meet everyone?
Yes, Judge.
Defense attorneys that need a reset, the court will give you a reset. I do, however, require that you talk to one of the two ADAs. Even defense attorney, if you have talked to that ADA last court setting and you have not changed your mind, you still want the exact same thing, I'm still requiring that you talk to one of the two ADAs. Even if you just got hired last night, last week, or last month, I'm still requiring that you talk to one of the two ADAs, even if there is a felony pending along with this County Court 12 case. I'm still requiring that you talk to one of the two ADAs. I see no downside to communication, guys. I know that I am over here trying to move my docket. And I know that you defense attorneys are trying to bring closure to your clients' cases so they can get back to their normal lives. And we cannot do this without communication. So please, defense attorneys, just take a few moments to go into one of the breakout rooms to get on the same page about this setting today. Now, if you've talked to one of the two ADAs within the last 2, 3, even up to 5 days ago, and that talk, that call, that chat, that email was about this setting today, I'll take that as a confer. I would highly recommend that that's what you guys would do. So when you get to court, when I get to the part about who's already conferred, you can quickly say, I have. We can give your client a reset and quickly release your client if that's what you so desire. But we're here now. So how we're going to do this is, it is 9/11 now. Usually by 10 o'clock, we're more than 75% done with this docket. I say that to say that we do move things along quickly in County Court 12. So defense attorneys, just send your chats to Booker right now. Booker's going to line you guys up in order of how he gets those chats to go into the breakout rooms, okay? So when Booker puts you guys in those breakout rooms, please do not pop out of the breakout rooms to say, no one has come to see me in the breakout room. Like I said, just exercising a little patience. We do try to move things along quickly here. Okay, someone will be there in that breakout room soon enough to talk over the matter of the setting with you. When you pop out, you just slow things down and you just lose your place in line, okay? All right, so now I'm gonna go back through this list one more time. Remember, I will be calling the docket by the defendant's name. So defendants, when you hear your name called, please unmute yourselves. Turn your camera on if it is off, because you are in court. I do need to see you. You are free to turn your camera off after you have announced. Because from my end, I am checking that you're either answering the docket or that you're not answering the docket. And at some point, defense attorneys, if your client never zooms in this morning, I do issue FTAs. That stands for failure to appear. A warrant will issue for your client. All right, here we go again. Remember, these are for the individuals that did not answer at the 9 o'clock. If you answered, I'll check you in, you're okay. These are for the individuals that did not answer that are zoomed on a little bit late. So Martina Castillo, Christopher Acosta, I know he was in the hallway. Did he manage to get on the Zoom? Christopher Acosta?
Judge, I apologize.
Yes.
Miss Martina Castillo is right here.
Okay, announce yourself, ma'am.
Martina Castillo.
Yeah, just saying here, present. I just want to make sure it's you. Okay, thank you, Ms. Castillo. I got you. Got you checked in. Thank you. Ruben Andrew Singletary. Ruben Andrew Singletary. Christian Almadares. Christian Almadares. Dion Terrell Coleman. Dion Terrell Coleman.
Judge, counsel's present.
Okay, so your client?
I'm not sure. He was supposed to log on. I'm not sure where he is.
Okay, all right. So if he gets on, just please let Booker know you don't want a warrant issued for him. That's for sure. Sergio Rodriguez. Sergio Rodriguez. Pablo Pada. Pablo Pada.
Present, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you, sir. Got you checked in now. Joseph Anthony Martinez. Joseph Anthony Martinez. Walter Garrett Johnson. Walter Garrett Johnson. Amanda Joy Welch. That's the one. Is she going to be here or not, Booker? No.
No, Judge, I don't believe so.
All right. Patrick Christopher Jones. Patrick Christopher Jones. Rodolfo Covarrubias. Rodolfo Covarrubias. Jada, excuse me. Jada Villarreal. Jada Villarreal. Thank you, Jada. Got you checked in. Nader Nasser Abdu. Nader Nasser Abdu. Efren Castillo. Efren Castillo.
Here, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Got you checked in. Israel Vasquez. Israel Vasquez. Aaron Blake Contreras. Aaron Blake Contreras. Brandon Lamar Warren. Brandon Lamar Warren. Daniel Martinez Hernandez. Cassandra Rojas. Cassandra Rojas.
Here.
Okay, Cassandra. Got you checked in now. Tara Marie Turner. Tara Marie Turner. Christopher Jimenez. Christopher Jimenez. Armando Pettis. Armando Pettis. Chaka Khan Corey. Chaka Khan Corey.
I am here.
Where is, okay, thank you, sir. Got you checked in. Sebastian Bolanos, he's in the hall, did he get on? Sebastian Antonio Bolanos. No. Jorge Rabago.
Here, Your
Jorge.
Honor.
Sir, could you put your face in the camera so I can see your face? There you go. Thank you. Jorge. Got you checked in, George. And Elaine Nicole Gonzalez. Elaine Nicole Gonzalez. Louis Orozco. Louis Orozco.
Here, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Got you checked in.
I'm here. Armando Perez is here.
All right, so before we move on to other court matters, I've now gone through the docket twice. It was a young man that was getting ready to talk. I'm going to get to the part right now where if there's anyone on this docket, you think you're in the right place and you did not hear your name called either time I called it. You did not hear your name in a call. What was the young man that said, I'm here? Who was that?
Number 42, Judge.
Number 42. Armando Pettis. Armando Pettis, is that you?
Your Honor, did you call Patrick Jones?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Armando Perez. I just
Okay, Armando Pettis,
I
turn your
tried,
turn your camera on, Armando, so I can see you.
all right.
There you go. Thank you, Armando. Got you checked in now. Okay, Patrick Jones. Yes, I did call that name twice.
So sorry about that, Your Honor. Yes, I'm here.
Okay, Patrick, number 20, Booker, got him checked in. Is there anyone else that did not answer? If you did not answer, I don't have a check by your name. I have an X by your name. Those are-
I didn't answer.
Is there anyone else that did not hear me called? You know, they did. Who's me?
Chris Morrison.
What is your name, sir?
Christopher Morrison.
Number 49, Judge.
I got you checked in, Christopher. You answered the first time.
Thank
You're
you.
fine. Is there anyone else that did not hear their name called at all this morning? Okay, all right. So before we move on to other court matters, I'm going to give a few housekeeping rules for County Court 12, okay? First rule being defense attorneys that are moving forward with the plea, remember, 2 sets of paperwork. One set comes from the court, the other set comes from the district attorney's office. If you are not sure if your client has done all of the paperwork, please just get with Booker. Booker can put you in a breakout room with your client and you can go over these matters. I just don't want anyone to sit on this Zoom for an hour or so. And when I call the case, we discover that none of the paperwork or only part of the paperwork has been done. Booker, could you please mute Alexis. Thank you. Alexis. I just don't want anyone to sit on the Zoom for a long time. And then, when I call the case, we figure out none of the paperwork has been done. Easy solution. Just talk to Booker to see if everything has been done so we can move forward. Also, defense attorneys, when moving forward with the plea, please ask your client this one question. Are they a resident of Bexar County? I realize that San Antonio is a very touristy town. We do get a lot of outsiders. But if you're moving forward with the plea and that paperwork is getting sent over to the probation department and they don't know that your client is not a resident of Bexar County, your client is going to get a violation, a warrant will issue. Who needs that household to begin of probation? Just let your client, let your attorney know, let probation know that perhaps you live in another county of Travis, Harris County, or even in another state. This is America. You can live where you want to live. We just need to know this. And after I find this out, I will make the decision should this case be transferred over to where you reside, or should I allow you to report to probation by Zoom? Please just let someone know, okay? Also, defense attorneys, if your client has an MTR on the docket, MTRs, besides speaking to one of the two ADAs, you must also speak to Mr. Charles Kimbrough. He is the CLO, the probation officer for County Court 12, of course, because it is an MTR, a motion to revoke probation. I do need the input from the probation department, okay? Also, defense attorneys, if your client has been arrested, just arrested at least twice for a DWI, that case is going to automatically be sent over to the DWI court. That is a specialty treatment court. I cannot mandate or order anyone into that program, but your client will be given the opportunity to be evaluated and talked to about what I consider red flags and issues of alcohol usage. Your client will not be able to leave this judiciary able to say, again, that no one talked to them, offered them help about what I consider red flags and issues of alcohol usage. Now, besides presiding over County Court 12, I also preside over the mental health court. That too is a treatment specialty court. If anyone wants their case transferred over to that docket, just get with Booker. He can get that referral process started. It doesn't even have to be that your client has ever been professionally diagnosed with a mental health issue. If they think they're suffering from PTSD, bipolar, schizophrenia, or severe depression or anxiety, that is good enough for us. We will get them professionally seen by a doctor. We will get them evaluated. I do run several dockets of mental health. One of the dockets being the PTD docket. If your client is deemed eligible for that client, not only does your client's case get dismissed, it gets totally expunged from your client's record at no cost to your client. Just options for everyone, okay? All right, so, and moving forward, is there any defense attorneys that have already conferred? You just need to give a report to the court and give your client a reset and release your client. Any defense attorneys that have already conferred?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good, go ahead, sir.
The state is going to dismiss on Brandon Zions.
Brandon Zonex. What number was that? I remember that case.
39.
39. Okay, very good, very good. Let's see. This that dismissal, counselor, is that going in today?
Yes, he was about to submit it. I told him I would just let the court know what's up.
Great. Thank you, counselor. I'll look for that in my Adobe signs in a minute, okay? So,
Thank you,
Mr.
Donna.
Brandon Sean Zonitz, your case is being dismissed, so you are free to go. I mean, a counselor, you can stick around and see, or even come down to the court and get a hard copy if you wanted to, because it will be sent out today, okay?
No worries. Thank you, Your Honor. Y'all have a nice day.
Very good. Thank you. You're free to go. Mr. Brandy, you're free to log off also. All right. Any other defense attorneys?
Morning, Your Honor. Mario Moreno.
Oh, good morning, Mario. What you got?
I have number 14, Walter Johnson. He didn't announce earlier this morning, but I'm not sure if he logged in when I was in the breakout room.
I see. Walter Garrett Johnson, are you on the Zoom? Walter Garrett Johnson. No, he did not.
Okay. I did confer. I'm ready to announce, but I guess I'll wait. I'll try and contact him to make sure he's logged on before we get that taken care of.
Yeah, just get him to Zoom on now. I'm sure that's
Yes,
going to be easier than trying to walk back a warrant later. All right, Mario,
Absolutely.
thank you.
I'll see what I can do.
All right, are there any other defense attorneys that have already conferred?
Yes, I believe number 27, Natter.
Natter,
Sir, can you,
Yes.
who is Natter?
Yes.
Please.
Nader Abdul.
His screen is not lighting up green. Oh, that's because he's inside. Sir, I can barely see you. Where are you? Are you in your attorney's law office?
Yes.
Can you come up closer to the camera so that I may see your face?
Is that good?
No. Okay, it's okay. Like your attorney is Mario. No, number
Caesar.
20, Caesar. Okay. So when Caesar comes, we'll talk about it. Thank you. I'll check you in for now. Thank you, sir. Okay. Listen, guys, if you guys zooming in late, you need to let Booker know that you're here. We don't know you're here. Sometimes we can get up to 50 or 60 people on these Zooms. I cannot see in each of you individually. So you must tell someone, get Booker's attention, send him a chat. I'm here. I logged in a little late so that he can check you in. Otherwise, I just have an X by your name and we're issuing warrants at the end of the day. Okay. So please, if you joined in late, you missed the docket call, just let Booker know that you have now zoomed in. You're on the docket now. Okay. All right, Booker, I'll let you continue with the recess, Booker. I'll be right here in case any pleas are ready to go.
Yes, Judge.
Give me one moment. Hey, Booker.
Yes, sir.
Walter Johnson said he's logged in, but he's in the waiting area right now.
It says waiting for the host to start this meeting.
The meeting's already started. He may have the.
Yeah.
I think he's in the wrong Zoom. Send
Okay.
today's Zoom link, Mario.
I did. Give me one moment.
Mario, can he hear me?
I'm sorry. Yeah, he can hear you.
Just tell him to write down the meeting ID number. Sometimes for whatever reason, the link may send him to a different Zoom.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll let him know. Well,
Just put in the ID number.
yeah, just put in the ID number, Walter, manually instead of the link.
Okay.
Thank you, Booker.
No problem.
Good morning, Booker.
Morning.
So first thing is that my client is present.
Yes, we got him checked in.
Abdul? Okay, good. Okay, good. So listen, we had an offer the last setting.
Mhm.
I had a chance to visit my client. He busy with his family, and they've decided he was excited to accept the offer. But I want to see if we can set it for a plea within the next couple of weeks or so. I can't take it today because I've got just multiple cases set today.
No worries. I will set it for July 25th.
Let me look at my calendar, make sure I'm not in another county. Will this be by Zoom?
Did you want an in-Zoom hearing?
I'm sorry?
Did you want a Zoom hearing?
No, will it be by in person or will it be?
The 25th is in person.
Say again?
The 25th is in person.
Okay, yeah, let's do that. Yeah.
Okay,
July 25th?
correct.
Okay, perfect. Okay, can we be excused?
Yes, you and your client both free to log off.
Thanks, man.
Not a problem.
Take care.
You too.
Okay, Booker, I figured it out.
Nader, you can go ahead and log off. Your court date is being reset to July 25th, and that's gonna be in person in County Court 12.
Am I okay to announce, Booker?
1 second, Mario.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you.
No problem. Go ahead, Mario.
Okay, I figured it out. I had accidentally sent him the link from Monday.
Oh, no worries. It happened.
So he's logged on now. There was an offer extended on his cases this morning. And we were just requesting a reset so I could have an opportunity to review the offer and discuss the case with Mr. Johnson.
All righty, we're gonna reset that to August 14th.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Johnson, did you get your reset date, sir? Where is he? Who's just here?
Yeah, he was just logged on. It still shows he's logged on here.
Oh yeah, I see him. He's trying to figure out how to unmute, but you can go ahead and give him a call, Mario. I do see him.
Okay. I appreciate it.
Not a problem.
August 14th.
Yes, there you go, August 14th. And that'll be another Zoom hearing, so you don't have to worry about coming to the courthouse.
All right. Yes, sir.
All right. No problem. You're free to log off.
All right. Thank you, Booker. That's all
Not
I
a
have this
problem.
morning.
Sounds good.
All right, have a good one.
You too. Mr. Bell.
Booker, good morning. I had Joseph Martinez. I was just appointed on it yesterday, so we haven't gotten the e-discovery yet. I did talk to the prosecutor. They've reached out to the complainant, but they haven't been able to verify the restitution on it. So I was hoping we could do a 30-day reset for a pretrial conference, see if they can get that documentation. That'll also give me a chance to get the reports on it.
All right, August 15th.
Okay. And I will let Mr. Martinez know. I don't know, like I said, because we just got it yesterday and we just got the Zoom instructions this morning. We weren't able to convey it to him, but we'll reach out to him this morning and let him know about the reset date.
Great, your client. Okay, have him to log on. No, he needs to just log on, make his appearance, and then we can reset that to the August 15th.
Okay, so what I'll do is I'll have my staff try to reach out to him again. We haven't had any contact because we literally just got the appointment yesterday. So we sent the letter out. We'll try to reach him by phone. I'll tell him he needs to make an appearance so that you can reset the case. And I guess if there's an issue, just give me a call. I mean, I'll be bouncing around the other county courts this morning, but I'll be around if you need me for anything.
Sounds good.
Okay, thank you.
Not a problem. Mr. Vela.
Hi, Booker. Good morning. Yeah, so we're resetting for a motions hearing. I haven't gotten an offer from the DAs. They're still waiting on lab reports. They've been waiting on them for a while, so I got to move forward with my motions.
Oh, okay, Jose Garcia.
Yes, yeah.
Have you already filed your motion?
Yes. Yeah, I'll be filing some more. I filed them as a group, and I just got an email from Kristen this morning, so I'll refile the rest of the motions. But the more dispositive one is filed.
Okay, so all the motion settings are dispositive in my court. I'm not sure which ADA you spoke to, but that's Judge Hill's policy.
Okay, yeah. So I spoke with Alexis.
Okay,
And-
she's new to my court. I'm not sure if she relayed that information to you, but all motions are dispositive.
Okay, yeah.
So it looks like we have. Looking at judge's calendar, August 18th at 2 p.m. in County Court 12 at 2 p.m.
August 18th. I have another hearing. I have to go to Memphis that day. Is there like either the week after or the week before? Or?
Let's see. August 31st.
Yes, yeah, that's fine. Thank you.
And what type of motion?
Suppression motions.
All right, let's see here. What is your email, sir?
Just my name as it's spelled here, Miguel Vela @outlook.com.
Okay. All right, I'm sending you a calendar invite now, so that way you can have it placed on your calendar. And you and your client are both free to log off.
Thank you.
No problem.
Have a good day.
You too.
Good morning, Booker. I just finished confirming with the state whenever you have a second.
Yes, go right ahead.
Okay, it's going to be for Ben Conway. And we e-filed a standard blood discovery order yesterday, so we were hoping that judge would be able to sign that.
You're from Sean Brown's office, correct?
Yes.
Okay. There it is. All right. I will get that to her today.
And then we've been given an offer on the case, so we just would like a reset to consider that offer, please, Booker.
Okay. I reset the case to August 22nd.
August 22nd. Alrighty, and then is myself and Mr. Conway excused?
Yes, you and your client are both free to log off.
Perfect. Thank you, Booker. You have a great one.
Thanks, you do the same.
Are they gonna call us in the courtroom? Because my phone's about to die.
What kind of phone do you have?
An iPhone?
You have a charger in your car?
No.
Let me, what kind of iPhone?
The 13 Pro Max?
All right, let me get a charger for you.
Okay, thank you.
Hello.
Now,
Yeah, who am I speaking to?
who are you?
This is Jorge Robago.
I'm sorry.
But this is Jorge Robago. I'm
How can I help you?
well, I was supposed to be I've been waiting for I heard the clock it called my name and all that stuff, but I don't know if you guys heard me because I've been having trouble with my phone here.
Well, can you turn your camera on, sir?
Excuse me?
Can you turn your camera on?
Camera on. Let me see how I do this. Hold on. Just a minute. Let's see. Uh, Start my video. Okay, start my video. Is that it? Start my video? Is it on yet? No?
Yes,
Or- Come on?
yes, your attorney is talking with the state right now, and he'll be with you shortly.
Okay, well, what's his name?
Ryan Arnett.
Excuse me?
Ryan,
Ryan?
correct.
Okay, all right. All right, so I'm checked in and everything, right?
Yes.
All right, thank you.
One second now. Tom.
Okay.
Yeah, hey Booker, we sorry, there's folks in the hallway here. We conferred on Hayden Flores,
Yes.
like a reset, please, if we could, sir. He's present on Zoom.
All right, that's gonna be August 17th.
August 17th. Okay, thank you. Hayden, you can sign off. Thank you.
No problem.
Morning, Booker.
1 second, Forrest.
Sure thing.
Mr. Zepeda, have you guys completed all the plea paperwork?
Yes, but I wanted to talk briefly with the ADA, if you don't mind.
No worries. If you guys have that completed, just go ahead and email me that, and I'll put you in line and talk to ADA.
Okay, thank you.
All right, go ahead now.
Could I please reset Sergio Rodriguez? He's number 10 on the docket. He needs to complete the driver safety course for the conditional dismissal offer.
Sergio Rodriguez, are you on the Zoom now? All right, now I still have a FTA out for him.
Okay, Randy Vasquez, number 11 on the docket. His case has been dismissed.
All right, Mr. Randy Vasquez.
Yes, sir.
All right, so your case is being dismissed. You're free to log off.
Yes, sir. Appreciate it. Y'all have a good day.
You too.
Could you please reset number 20 on the docket, Patrick Jones? His case has not yet been filed.
Mr. Jones?
Yes, I'm here.
All right, so your court date has been reset to August 16th.
All right. Thank you very much.
That's a Zoom day, and it'll be at 9 a.m. You're free to log off, sir.
Thank you.
Could you please reset Luis Orozco? He's number 47 on the docket. The DA needs to reach out about a pending felony.
Ms. Conway, is this case now?
The DA needs to reach out about a pending felony, so they won't give me an offer for Luis Orozco.
Okay. I reset that one to August 18th.
Okay, thank you. And may I please break out with Jason Beatty? He's number 8 on the docket. We're going over the plea paperwork because he has a plea to take today.
Yeah. Sarah.
Hi, Booker. So I'm here for Moya Mobeki, cause numbers 690-349.
Okay.
We've been waiting for our motion to suppress.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just, is that the email that you sent me this morning?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just, it's an exotic language and it takes a while to find an interpreter. So that's really what we're waiting on right now.
Okay.
I will, for the time being, I'll give it a motion date setting. But we're just hopefully at this point in time, we can get an interpreter. But that's really what we're waiting on right now. So the motion setting date will be September 1st at 2 p.m. in person in County Court 12. And I will reach out to the interpreter's office to make sure that we can get an interpreter by that time.
Okay, at 2 p.m.
Correct.
Okay, thank you.
Not a problem. And what type of motion is that?
Well, I thought there was only one type that she.
Is
It's
it a motion to suppress? Or a
Yeah.
motion for speedy trial?
motion to suppress.
And you are aware that it's dispositive, correct?
It's positive, yeah.
Okay, sounds good. You and your client are both free to log off.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Mr. Booker.
One moment. All right, Forrest, go ahead.
Hey Booker, good morning. I'm here on Elaine Gonzalez. There are currently pending felonies and the state is wanting to reach out to felony prosecutors regarding those. She also has additional cases in this court that are set for August 2nd. Would it be possible to reset them all to the same date in the future?
Yes. I do show that she's currently in jail, so I'm gonna reset all her court dates to August 21st.
August 21st. Thank you, Booker.
Not a problem.
May I be excused?
Yes, you're free to log off.
Thank you.
Stohansky. You're muted, Matt.
There we go. Good morning. I've got, I have not seen the prosecutor yet, but I've got several district courts looking for me. So I was wondering if we could like reset this a week or something. I think we got a plea. It's going to be a plea.
Is Kelly he still works with your office, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, he's coming by. You want him just to confirm the case for you? And then I can get you that plea date reset?
Sure, I can come by in person.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
All righty.
My client is here with me. Do you want to see him?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's see, that is Mr. Where are you?
Mr. Costa.
Oh, yes. All right. Sounds good, Matt.
All right. I'll come by there. I'll let him go.
Okay.
Thanks. Bye.
See ya.
Yes, sir.
Booker. Mr. Booker.
I'll be with you shortly, sir.
I need to try to find a charger real quick. My phone's gonna end up dying.
That's fine, sir. Go ahead and try to find a charger.
All right, thank you.
Danielle Lopez.
Right here.
Hi, ma'am. I have your attorney in my office. Your court date has been reset to August 25th.
August what?
25th.
25th?
Correct.
Okay, thank you.
Not a problem. You're free to log off, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
No.
Could I please speak with William Wagner?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Mr. Zepeda.
Yes, Mr. Brooker, I got finished talking with the ADA. We're working on a conditional dismissal. So I just need some to reset this matter. So give my client time to finish the class and the other community service.
Okay. So no plea for today, correct?
Yeah, no plea for today. Yeah.
Sounds good. All right. I will reset the case to August 23rd.
Thank you, sir.
Just around about that time, maybe the week before, just let me know if you need a little bit more, if your client needs a little bit more time to finish classes or whatnot. If not, then as soon as she gets everything done, she can give it to you, submit it to the state, and it'll probably be an off docket dismissal.
Okay, I appreciate it.
Not a problem.
Take care.
You too. Luis Orozco.
Yes, I was gonna ask you, is that gonna be in person or in Zoom?
Let's see. What date did I give you?
August 18th.
August 18th. And that will be a Friday. That will be on Zoom.
Okay, do you know what time?
9 a.m.
All right, thank you.
So your attorney should provide you with the Zoom link before, so you don't have to worry about coming down to the courthouse.
Do you know the name of my attorney?
Neil Smith.
Okay.
But if you haven't gotten it from her or there was a lack of communication, you can always call my court office that morning and we can provide you with the Zoom link.
All right.
I mean the meeting ID number.
All right. All right, thank you. I'm free to go, right?
Yes, sir. You're free to leave.
Excuse me, Mr. Brooker.
Yes.
My attorney, she's having eye surgery today, so she isn't able to be here.
Who's your attorney?
Uh, I don't know if she's like registered as my attorney yet, but her name's Andrea Polonsky.
Nope, she isn't. I still have Nell Smith as your attorney. Your attorney never filed notice or didn't do, when did you hire her?
I think right before my last court date.
Okay, because she hasn't provided the court with a notice of appearance on your case.
So am I able to get a reset? So if you can.
No. You still, your attorney that's represents you is still on right now. She'll come talk to you. And then when I give you a reset from that time, you need to contact your attorney and have her to file notice at that point in time. But as of right now, Neil Smith is your attorney of record. So we'll need to wait for her to give to let me know what's going on with your case before I release you today.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Acevedo.
Booker, I was trying to confer with Alexis Garcia, but we couldn't get the audio to work. But may I have a 30-day reset and I'll make a note to call her? I tried to give her my cell phone, but I don't think she was able to see it. I think this is a second setting.
Okay. Just requires that you confer beforehand. Let me
If you give her my cell number, I'll talk to her, but for whatever reason, our connection is not, the audio's not working.
okay, I'll put you in a different break room and I'll give her your cell, have her to come to call you.
Okay. All right. Thank you. And then after we confirm, may we be excused?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
No.
Could we please reset William Wagner? He needs time to think about the plea offer that was given to him.
All right, that's gonna reset to August 16th, which will be a Zoom hearing at 9 AM on Zoom.
Okay, thank you. William, you're free to log off. Could I please speak with Jorge Hernandez?
All right, go back to number 2 and I'll put them in there with you.
Okay, thank you.
David.
Good morning.
All right.
Did Tara Marie Turner appear?
No, she didn't.
Okay, because I contacted her bondsman. They gave me a phone number and it turned out to be not to be a good phone number. But I conferred with Alexis and it's a blood draw case, so there's no blood results in. So I'm assuming it's a red file.
Yeah. She'll get a warrant at some point today.
Okay. So do I get a reset or wait until we get in touch with her?
Well, you don't get in touch to her today. She's gonna have a warrant today, and then
Well, I don't have a number. I mean, the bondsman gave me a number and it's not a good number, so I don't know what to do.
just wait for her to get arrested and then take care of it from there.
Okay.
Alrighty.
All right. Thank you. I'll see you tomorrow, I guess, in person.
Yes, we'll be in
All right.
person.
Yeah, I've got two people that we've finally got resolved for the mental health PTD, so I'm glad.
Sounds good.
All right, see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Alrighty. And you already talked to the state in regards to those cases and you got an offer and everything?
I'm glad.
Your is it mental health PTD or regular mental health?
Well, it's supposed to be the mental health PTD.
Okay, but then never mind. You're good.
All right, thanks.
Not a problem.
Bye.
But now. No.
Oh, hi. Could we please reset Jorge Hernandez? I need to talk to district attorneys about his plea offer and maybe just change it a little bit. And Fridays are best for him because he doesn't have work that day. So could we reset him for a Friday?
Yes.
Thank you.
His court date will be August 18th.
Thank you so much.
Not a problem.
So Mr. Hernandez, you're free to
Yes.
log off.
Okay, thank you. Y'all have a good day.
Thank you. And could I please speak with Levi Aldis, number 38 on the docket?
Yes. Go back to what room were you in?
2?
Yeah, go back to 2 and I'll put him in there with you.
Okay, thank you.
Andrew, you just want to approach the judge on that?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
And your case is getting dismissed? Well, not
That's-
yours, but
Yeah, no, my case is still up in the air. No, my client's case, Mr. Cantu, who my understanding has been waiting patiently for me.
no, let me get that for judge. One moment. No, for your inmate person, for Christopher Morrison, there's
Uh-huh.
only one file that's ready.
Well, they're gonna TIC the one that's not ready.
Okay,
That's-
sounds good. I
Um,
just need the paper on that one for you.
okay, thank you. But for Levi Aldis, he hired private counsel Andrea Pulaski, but she's having surgery today. So can you reset him?
He hired, but there's no record of notice. So like I told him, as of right now, you're still his attorney. And so he needs to have her to actually file her notice, because right now there is no notice of
Okay,
anybody else besides any hired counsel on his case.
okay. So,
Yeah,
yes,
I can give him a reset, but
okay, and I told him that too.
all right, his court date is reset to August 15th.
Okay, thank you so much. And could I please speak with Armando Perez? And could you reset him as well? I just want to tell him what his plea offer is.
Mr. Levi Aldis,
Yes.
did you get your reset date, sir?
Yes, sir, I did.
Okay, you're free to log off.
All right, thank you.
And then now for Armando Perez, we're gonna set him for August 15th as well.
Okay, awesome, thank you.
And I'll put you in a room to talk to him.
Okay,
Booker,
Yes,
did you say, Chris Wilson?
I did. Your attorney will be able to talk to you shortly.
Okay.
Hey, Booker.
Andrew, let me get this, go out to the court and get this to judge and see what she wants to do with it. I'm gonna tell her to deny it because, you don't need it.
Thank you.
Anytime, anything for you.
You're so nice.
I try. Not too hard for you, but I try.
I know, boy, don't I know it.
I'll be right back. Ryan, I'll be right back with you.
Sounds good. Thank you. Mr. Booker, I wasn't able to sound off while the judge called the docket. I wanted to make sure that I was checked in.
Yes, sir. You're checked in.
Thank you.
Andrew,
Sure.
I got it. It's
Thank
signed.
you, sir. Can you give me a copy and I'll send it to my client?
Really? Wow.
No. All right. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Mr. Cantu, you're excused at this time. Take
All
care.
right, thank you.
Thanks, Booker.
Have you, did they already submitted? Yeah, they did. I got a copy of it in my email. All right, I'll forward this over to you.
Thank you.
Not a problem. Have a good one. Ryan,
Yes, can we go ahead and dismiss Frank Castillo? His case is being dismissed.
Frank Castillo,
Efrain Castillo.
Ephraim. All right, Mr. Castillo, you're free to log out. Your case is being dismissed.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
You're very welcome. I'll email you a copy of the signed dismissal once the judge signs it.
All right, thank you, Ryan.
You're very welcome.
All right, bye.
Mr. Booker, I'm good to log off?
Yes, sir, your case got dismissed.
All right, thank you. Bye-bye.
No, sorry, that was Joe Cantu that just said that, right? That
No,
wasn't.
that was the previous attorney's client. Mr.
Oh,
Cantu,
okay.
you're free to log off.
Thank you.
Just wanted to make sure there wasn't accidental communication going on there. And then I'll take a small breakout room with or we can go ahead and reset Elijah Santean. He had a pending mental health court screening process going on. Last I saw in May, it was going to be submitted to the district attorney's office for approval. I don't have anything after that, so I've emailed Azalia to see if she has any update on that. If we could just get him reset by next date, we should find out whether or not he's going to be accepted to mental health court, and they can either schedule him for a plea in, or we can decide whether or not we're going to take the offer from the district attorney's office or take it to trial.
All right, I just sent the email off for a status update.
Sounds good.
He's been reviewed for regular or PTD?
PTD.
Okay.
Now he might, I mean, regular is still an option if he gets rejected from PTD, but right now he's being reviewed for PTD.
I'm just gonna set it on a Thursday from here on out because that's when we do our plea in. So right now he's gonna be set for August 17th.
Okay. Elijah, did you hear the 17th new court date?
Yes, sir.
All right.
All right. And we're just trying to get things figured out on the back. Okay.
All right.
Elijah, you can log off.
Yes, sir.
All right, what else, Ryan?
Can I go ahead and get a breakout room with Cassandra Rojas?
Yes.
Thank you.
Hey, Booker.
Yes.
Okay, on Jada Villarreal, if we could just reset that. He's got a felony pending, same occurrence.
Let's see. All right, I'm gonna reset that to August 22nd for now until.
Confer with state. Okay. And then on Jana Dudding, we've agreed to a plea. If you could set it for a plea, another date.
All
You
right.
want to give this, do you want to do the same day on that or another day? Doesn't matter. She's on bond. And I'm hired.
All right. I will set that one to August 15th.
Okay.
August
You'll send us something?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
No.
No.
Keep studying. I'll let you know.
Hello?
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.
No.
Booker, can I log off?
Yes, I'm here for the log off.
Okay, thank you.
And Ms. Dunning, you're for the log off as well. What you got now?
Could I please speak with Christopher Morrison?
Yes. Right here. Right here.
Now, what's going on with the other client, the jail client?
We need plea paperwork for him as well, for Isaac Gutierrez.
Okay.
Thank you so much. I was just gonna email you.
No worries. Ryan.
Yes, can we please get a long reset for Cassandra Rojas? She's got a conditional dismissal offer.
All right, Ryan, that's gonna reset to August 24th.
Okay. All right, Ms. Rojas, you are free to log off. Your new court date is August 24th. If you get that conditional dismissal stuff done before that court date, then you won't even have to worry about coming in.
Okay, who do I send it to?
To me. If you don't have my email address, then I can send you an email from it again real quick. So that way you have it in your inbox.
Okay, sounds good. Oh, by the way, where do I leave the charger at?
Oh, go into the courtroom and give it to the deputy.
Okay.
Okay, and then can I get a breakout room with Irma Martinez, please? Irma Martinez.
All right, go back to number 3. Good
Hey
morning.
Booker, it's
Who are you here
This-
on?
Renita Lynette Thomas. She's got a felony pending. I just need to talk to them real quick.
Okay, sounds good.
Thank you.
Irene?
Did she call my name for Miss Thomas?
Yes, she'll be with you shortly.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So far I have number
One.
8. Number 8.
Okay.
Um, 49 and 51.
49 and 51. Okay, I'm ready whenever you are.
Sounds good.
Thanks.
Sir, quick question. This is Miss Thomas again. Was she meeting me in the courtroom or in a breakout?
Your attorney's on Zoom. I can put you guys in a breakout room if you want to speak with her.
Okay.
Hey Booker, I don't know what happened. I got booted out of the Zoom, and when I went back in, it sent me to 2, but there wasn't a prosecutor there.
Okay, I will get you to talk to one.
Thank you.
Jonathan, is Alexis there? Or Trishan?
I'm back. I conferred.
Yes, ma'am.
They're gonna talk to the felony prosecutors about what kind of offer they're gonna give, and I told them we'll just reset it, then it's a first setting. I think the felony's out of the same date, so.
All right, I'm going to reset it to August 25th. And your client wants to speak with you.
Sure, can you put me in a breakout room with her so I can explain where Doug is?
Yes, ma'am, will do.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Booker. I talked to her. I let her go if she logged out if I wasn't supposed to. I'm sorry. I gave her the new date.
Oh, no, that's quite all right.
Okay, I'll see you later.
All righty, have a good one.
Hello, can I get a reset, Booker?
Or, Renell, Ryan, and now, what you got, Ryan?
Okay. Can we get Irma Martinez set on the trial docket, please?
Irma Martinez.
Maybe. Warren said that he called the office yesterday. And he said that, you said it would be the person on Zoom that you would call him back. You know, telling me.
August 15th.
Okay. That one we're gonna be having a speedy trial motion on. We just aren't sure if we're gonna run it with trial or if we're gonna set it for a dispositive. We're gonna have that decision made within the next week or two. But Irma, for now, your next court date is August 15th. That'll be in person in County Court 12 at 9 a.m. Okay.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay, and you should be free to log off.
Oh,
Okay,
all right.
thank you.
Yeah, because that's a retained case. So.
And then can I get a breakout room with Joseph Mora, please?
Put a little note, he said for 7:25. Okay.
All right, go back to 3.
All right.
Okay, send it to Booker. Send that.
You got now.
Could I please break out with Isaac Gutierrez?
Email it to Booker.
That's your other jail case?
Yes, and then we're ready for pleas.
Where did Morrison go?
I don't know.
Okay, I'll call the jail.
Okay,
Now you can go back to 4 and I'll put them in there with you.
okay, thank you.
No.
Okay, sorry, Booker. We're ready for the pleas on Jason Beatty and Christopher Morrison. Isaac Lee Gutierrez bonded out. He's just waiting to get released.
Who was the Isaac that was in there?
Yes, I talked to him, but his family already posted bond for him. So eventually, I guess he'll get out.
And is he still here?
I don't think so. Well,
The one that I put you in the breakout room, that wasn't him?
yeah, that was him, but he's gonna get out later today, I think, because his family posted bond, he said.
Well, if he takes the plea now, they can get their money back. I mean, he's already here.
Oh, I didn't think he could get the money back.
Yeah, I mean, because the services haven't been rendered, he's still in jail. And if he takes the plea now, then his family doesn't have to worry about posting bond for him. They can just go back to the bonding company and get his money back.
Oh, they really can. Okay, well, I just told him he could go.
1 second.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, can I have 14Q, Isaac Gutierrez brought back to County Court 12 zone? All right, now they caught him just in time.
Oh, good, thank you.
So what happens in a situation like that, if he's in jail and the family posts his bond, let's see, because right now it still shows that he's in jail, he has an $800 bond. If he never gets out and he pleads out or the case gets dismissed, the contract has not been, he hasn't signed the contract.
Okay, yeah, got it. No, that's wonderful.
He can get that money back from the bonding company.
Okay, can I talk to him and just tell him that?
Yeah, let me, we're supposed to be bringing him back, so let me move you guys to another breakout room and you can finish up the plea paperwork there.
Okay, thank you.
Ryan,
Yeah, can we go ahead and get Joseph Morris set on the trial docket as well, please?
8:15.
All right. Mr. Moore, your next court date is 8:15 at 9 a.m. in person in County Court 12. And you are free to log off. Just make sure you write that date down.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.
You're very welcome. You too. And I will take a breakout room with Pablo Pata.
All right, go back to number 3. I'll put him in there with it.
Thank you.
Jacob Pardo,
Yes, sir.
that's right, your court date has, your attorney is stuck in federal court and she asked me to recall your case for the same day as your, felony case. I'm gonna recall it for August 4th.
August 4th or August 1st?
4th. Well,
Okay.
your felony is August 1st, but I'm gonna recall your, my case for the 4th.
Okay. Thank you.
Not a problem.
Booker.
Yes,
Is
sir.
he back there?
I haven't seen him.
Okay, maybe it's in his office because I'm getting ready to send Adrian with his client back there, but I wanted Steve to know because he has a warrant.
I'll text him, let him know.
Okay.
Hey, Booker, I think Pablo disconnected. So if he comes back, I'll hop back in a breakout room with him. But for now, can I get in a breakout room with Adam Molina?
Yes, go to 3. He's there for you.
Thank you.
Hey, Booker, on Can 2, that's one I was here on earlier. DA said they were going to dismiss it. You haven't gotten anything?
It's been sent out.
Oh, judge just needs to sign it?
Correct.
Okay. Can I talk to the judge?
No.
All right. Cool.
I mean, she's here. Well, no, she's I don't know. Taking up court matters right now.
Sure.
But yeah, she'll normally have a sign Adobe sign stuff after she gets off the bench.
I'm fine. I let my client go. I just want to make sure it doesn't get lost.
He won't get lost. He's fine.
Mm-hmm.
He's free to roam about the country.
Yep. All right. As long as judge has it on her desk and the DA has done their part, I'll just bounce.
Yeah, Jonathan did send it out, just pending judge's signature.
Cool. All right, man. Talk to you tomorrow. Thank you.
Not a problem. Have a good one. Individual under Samson SM-G991U. I'm sending notifications to unmute yourself. Individual on a Samsung device. You guys all should know what type of devices you're on. If you don't unmute yourself and announce yourself, I want to remove you. Individual on a Samsung SM.
Oh, yes, sir.
What is your name?
Sebastian Bolanos.
Okay, do you know how to change your name to your actual name, not your device that you're on?
Let me see.
In person on the iPhone, what is your name?
Me, I had just got disconnected from Ryan.
And what is your name?
Pablo Parn, sorry.
All right, thank you. I'll put you back in there once he's available.
Thank you.
Now, let me call the judge what happened to Morrison, and then I'll pull those files for judge and we can take care of your clients.
Thank you so much.
Where is, oh, Jason's right there. Okay,
Booker, I'll be right back.
Easy, sir.
sounds good. Isaac,
Yes, sir.
Morrison was sitting beside you. Do you know what happened to him?
He just up and they escorted him out. I thought he was done.
Okay, thank you.
He
You're
might have
welcome.
misunderstood, what was happening. Sorry, Booker.
Um, no problem. All right, now give them about 5 minutes. They're gonna bring them back.
Okay, great, thank you.
So in the meantime, I'm gonna pull the files for Jason and for Isaac, and we can get those two played out while they
Perfect.
put on Morrison.
Okay, great. Thank you.
And then we're waiting for Irene to come back to you. So, but no worries, we get taken care of.
Okay,
All right, now, looks like we have all your clients back now, so, Judge, we calling the case in a little bit.
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
Okay, so is everybody ready on Jason Patrick Beatty?
Irene, did you make it back?
I'm here.
Just let me give Irene a call to see,
Okay.
I would get so close.
I'm back, Booker.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
So we're gonna move forward on Jason Patrick Beatty. Am I pronouncing your name, sir, correctly? Beatty?
Yes, it's Beatty.
Okay, very good. All right. Okay, all right. So at this time, the court will call the case of Jason Patrick Beatty, cause number 661409. Would each side state their name and who they represent for the record, please?
Jonathan Alvarado for the state.
Nell Smith for Jason Beatty.
Okay. Good morning, Mr. Beatty. How are you doing?
I'm doing fine.
Okay. Are you the same Jason Patrick Beatty who's been charged with the DWI?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen, sir?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Have you had an opportunity to discuss this case with your attorney?
Yes, I have.
And counselor, are you satisfied your client is competent enough to move forward in the plea this morning?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Beatty, did you get an opportunity to go over a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights and Court's Admonishments?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you go over that document with your lawyer?
Yes, I did.
Did you understand it?
Yes, I did. She
And did you
explained.
sign that document?
Yes, I did.
Counselor, are you satisfied your client understands his waiver of constitutional rights?
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Beatty, are you entering into your plea voluntarily this morning?
Yes.
Very well. State, is there a plea bargain?
There is, Judge. The state is moving to waive the 0.15 enhancement in this case and proceed on a Class B DWI first.
Any objections?
No, Your Honor.
Entered.
Your Honor, the agreement is for a $400 fine plus court cost, 12 months deferred adjudication, 48 hours community service, DWI education course, the victim impact panel, a TAP evaluation, ignition interlock for at least half the term, and $60 in restitution to Texas DPS.
Okay. Is this everyone's understanding of the plea bargain agreement?
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
Very well. Mr. Beatty, I see that you've taken a plea bargain for deferred adjudication. Let me explain that deferred adjudication is a special type of probation where if you do very well and successfully complete this probation, this case could ultimately be dismissed against you. However, if you violate any terms of this probation, I could call you back to court, I can revoke the probation, and I can sentence you up to the full range of punishment. Do you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
You still wish to move forward?
Yes, ma'am.
How do you plead to this charge?
No contest.
No contest, very well. The court accepts your plea of no contest, finding it's been voluntarily and intelligently entered into. I'll set punishment as follows. We're going to move forward with a DWI-B, a $400 fine, court costs, 12 months of deferred adjudication, DWI education class, a VIP class, TAP evaluation, ignition interlock for half the term, 40 hours of community service, $60 to DPS, and I set supervisory fee at $40. Is there anything else from either side?
From the state.
No, Your Honor.
Okay, very well. If there's nothing else from either side, sir, I have followed your plea bargain agreement. You do not have my permission to appeal this. Mr. Beatty, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with our probation officer, Mr. Kimbrough. He's going to go over a few things of probation with you. Counselor, did you want to go into that room also?
No, thank you.
Okay, very well. Good luck to you, Mr. Beatty. Everyone's excused. Just look for the little top button, okay? Everyone's excused. Good luck to you, sir.
All right, thank you.
Okay, all right, so we're going to move on to Isaac Lee Gutierrez, right? Nails,
Yes,
that
ma'am.
good?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Correct.
And Judge Morrison is back also.
Okay, okay. All right. So at this time, the court will call the case of Isaac Lee Gutierrez, cause number 680671. Could each side state their name and who they represent for the record, please?
Jonathan Alvarado for the state.
Nell Smith for Isaac Gutierrez.
Okay. Good morning, Mr. Gutierrez. How are you doing?
I'm doing just fine, man.
Are you the same Isaac Lee Gutierrez who's been charged with a driving while license invalid?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
Are you a U.S. citizen, sir?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
Have you had an opportunity to discuss this case with your lawyer?
Yes, ma'am.
Counselor, are you satisfied your client is competent enough to move forward in the plea today?
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Gutierrez, did you get an opportunity to go over a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights and Court's Admonishments?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you go over that document with your lawyer?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that document?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you sign that document?
Yes, ma'am.
Counselor, are you satisfied your client understands his waiver of constitutional rights?
Yes,
Mr. Gutierrez, are you entering into your plea voluntarily this morning?
Yes, ma'am.
State, is there a plea bargain?
There is, Your Honor. The agreement is for a $0 fine plus court cost, 4 days, Bear County Jail, credit for 4 days served. Would ask time and money rank concurrent, and the judgment be satisfied.
Is this everyone's understanding of the plea bargain agreement?
yes,
Yes.
Mr. Gutierrez, how do you plead to this charge?
No contest.
No contest, very well. The court accepts your plea of no contest. Fine has been voluntarily and intelligently entered into. I'll set punishment as follows. We're going to move forward with a $0 fine, court cost, 4 days in a Bear County Jail, credit for time served, money and time to run concurrent, and the judgment is satisfied. Is there anything else from either side?
No, ma'am.
Not from the state.
no, Your Honor.
If there's nothing else from either side, sir, I have followed your plea bargain agreement. You do not have my permission to appeal this. Mr. Gutierrez, if you do not have anything else they're holding you in jail, you should be let out later today. Good luck to you, sir. And thank you, Counselor, for coming on, taking care of this matter. Everyone is excused.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you, Your
Good
Honor.
luck.
Okay. All right. So Christopher Morrison, did we get him back?
Yes, he's here, Your Honor.
Okay. Okay, there we go. So we're going to move on to Christopher Morrison. At this time, the court will call the case of Christopher Morrison, cause number 70. Booker, I think my tablet's about to shut off. So I'll see if I can get through this plea before my tablet shuts off, because I do not have a charging cord. I left it at NADCP, Jonathan. When I was presenting, Booker didn't pick it up for when I was on the stage. Blame Booker. I don't have a charging cord for my tablet. So 709377 is the cause number for Christopher Morrison. With each side state their name and who they represent for the record, please.
Jonathan Alvarado for the state.
Nell Smith for Christopher Morrison.
Good morning, Mr. Morrison. How are you doing, sir?
It's pretty good.
Are you the same Christopher Morrison who's been charged with a criminal mischief case?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you had an opportunity to discuss this case with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
And counselor, are you satisfied your client is competent enough to enter into a plea today?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Morrison, did you get an opportunity to go over a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights and Court's Admonishments?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you go over that document with your lawyer?
Yes.
Did you understand it?
Yeah,
And did you sign that document?
I think so.
Can't be, I think so. You're waiving some pretty important rights there.
Yeah,
He did sign it, Your Honor. It was, with your electronic signature, you pushed a button that said you did.
okay.
All right. Counselor, are you satisfied your client understands his waiver of constitutional rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Morrison, are you entered into your plea voluntarily this morning?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. State, is there a plea bargain?
There is, Judge. The agreement is for a $0 fine plus court cost. I believe it's a 1 day Bear County Jail, credit for 1 day served. That's time and money rank concurrent, and the judgment will be satisfied. The state is also taking into consideration cause number 712530.
530. Was that on the docket today?
Yes, but it
Yes.
hasn't been filed yet.
Correct, Judge.
Okay.
That's why we're moving forward on the
Okay.
case.
All right. Mr. Morrison, how do you plead to this charge?
Not guilty?
What's in the
No.
paperwork?
No contest.
No contest?
All right, the court accepts your plea of no contest. Fine has been voluntarily and intelligently entered into, and I'll set punishment as follows. We're gonna move forward on a $0 fine, court costs, 1 day in the Bear County Jail, credit for time served, money and time to run concurrent. The case is JSAT, judgment satisfied. We're gonna also take into consideration cause number 712-530. Is there anything else from either side?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
Okay.
Not from the state.
If there's nothing else from either side, sir, I followed your plea bargain agreement. You do not have my permission to appeal this. Mr. Morrison, if you do not have anything else they're holding you in jail, it should be let out later today. Good luck to you, sir. Thank you, Counselor, for coming on. Everyone is excused. Good luck to you, Mr. Morrison.
Thank you.
Okay. very well.
you.
Okay.
When he did my call, maybe he brought me one down, but the one that he brought me down is not the type that fits judges, so after court, I have to go up to court and
Okay. You can live. Oh, so. Oh, yeah, I don't like it that way. Yeah, Booker, do we have another plea? Jonathan, do we have another plea?
I don't believe so, Judge. I think that was the last
Okay, I
one.
think that was, let's see, Booker, do we have any more pleas?
No, Judge, Mauer, what you got on your case?
I have an offer for obstruction deferred, but I'm supposed to be picking a jury at 1:30. I wanted to see if I can get, I'm out of town from the 20th to 30th on vacation. If you all can recall me for maybe the first or second week in August, I think we should be able to resolve it.
Okay, we'll do August 10th.
Perfecto. Thank you very much. Sorry about the delay. It's been one of those mornings.
No worries, it's good to see you twice in a week.
It's my pleasure.
All right, Miss Destiny Rodriguez. All right, your court date has been reset to August 10th. That will be in person in County Court 12 at 9 a.m. You're free to log off, ma'am.
I covered the 186. You guys are gone.
Oh.
And you're doing a murder trial.
Ryan.
Self-defense.
Yes, can I please get a reset for Pablo Pata and Adam Molina?
All right, Pablo, you know what? I'll reset both to 8/18, August 18th.
Thank you, Ryan. Yes, of course, and you are free to log off now. Thank you, Ryan. Thank you, Booker. Have a good day.
Thanks, you too. And Adam is still stuck in a breakout room, but you can, let me see if I can get him to come out.
Okay.
Mr. Molina? What else you got, Ryan?
I need resets for Jorge Robago and Sebastian Bolanos, and I'm gonna talk to them in a quick breakout room.
Mr. Molina, your court date has been reset to August 18th. Feel free to log off.
Okay, thank you. Appreciate it, Booker.
Not a problem.
Thank you, Mr. Arnett.
You're very welcome.
Mr. Arnett.
Yes, how can I help you?
Sebastian Bolano and who else?
Jorge Robago.
All right, both of those are going to be reset to August 17th.
Okay. You can just put me in a breakout room with them. I can have a quick conversation with them. I'll get us out of here in less than 5.
I'm putting them both in at the same time.
Okay.
Room 1.
Thank you.
Not a problem.
So is that it?
Yes, that is it.
Good job.